Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to deposit check in Wells Fargo app. Start by unlocking your smartphone and opening the Wells Fargo mobile app. After you are signed in, look at the bottom of the screen. You will see several options in the menu bar. Tap on the option labeled Deposit. In some versions, you may also see a shortcut on the main screen that says Deposit Checks. Tap that to continue. Next, you need to choose where the money will go. Tap on the To section and select your preferred account. This could be your checking account or your savings account. Make sure you pick the correct one before moving forward. Now, enter the amount written on the check. Carefully type in the exact amount and double-check that it matches what is written on the front of the check. This step is important to avoid delays. Take your check and turn it over. Sign your name on the back. Under your signature, write for mobile deposit at Wells Fargo only. This step is required for the deposit to be accepted. Now go back to the app and follow the instructions to take photos of your check. First, capture the front, then the back. Place the check on a dark surface with good lighting. Make sure all four corners are visible inside the guides on your screen. Finally, review all the details on the screen. If everything looks correct, tap Submit to complete your deposit. Thanks for watching.